Hey, welcome to another video broadcast of Master Investors Company. I'm here at the gym. Remember, it's all about health, love, happiness, and wealth. The four pillars of life: health, love, happiness, and wealth. I'm gonna put the phone down so you can see my workout, and let's get it. Make sure that you join me on the workouts every day. Check out the description below. I'm going to be leaving the tools and the things that are helping me become more successful in those four pillars, including health, right? I'm gonna leave some products that I'm using that has helped me lose weight tremendously fast and also keep gaining muscle and getting in the best shape of my entire life, okay? So I wanna share my success with you and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna put you down right now. building every day, guys. You must get to your health so that we can feel better. That's what happens when we work out every day, every few days, a week. If you start it now, start with 15 minutes a day. You know, go out for a walk, do it at home. It doesn't matter where you do it. What matters is that you get to it and make an effort. Trust me that it will change your life. And you'll start seeing changes immediately. Instantly you'll feel better when you get home or when you're done with it. You take a shower, you're like, wow. A few days go, you start seeing, you know, your body taking shape in a better, in a positive way. So get to your optimized body. A lot of people are not optimizing for the best. We gotta optimize. In order to excel in everything that we do, we gotta be optimized within. So self-development, right? Being more loving to ourselves is key. Taking the best decisions and always being ethical with everything. Make sure you keep your hands clean. When you do business, the same thing. When we're building wealth, there's no reason to do anything illegal, you know, because you lose the freedom. So ensure that you are working on yourself every day, and follow us here at Master Investor. We're going to be releasing a lot of great content for the 4 pillars of life. We focus on wealth a lot because we can't go far without wealth, right? It's like water. If we don't have enough cash flow, enough money, we can't get to wherever we want to go and accomplish our dreams because it costs money. So gotta build wealth and passive income. So check out the description below. I'm gonna leave it right there for you so you can start making money from home with passive income. That is the income of the ultra wealthy, right? That's what we show you here, how to do it. Be an active investor, building passive income, building wealth, which is measured by the time, not by necessarily the dollars, but the time that we have without doing whatever we want to do, and still be able to keep cashing in from the cash flow that's coming in from the assets, from the cash flow and assets, right? That's creating passive income, residual income. Passive income, positive cash flow is all the same. It's the third type of income that exists in the world. The first one is earned income. If you have a job, then you're working for earned income. You exchange time for money. We don't get rich or wealthy like that. You can have a lot of money, but you don't have the freedom. The next type of income is portfolio income, which comes from commodities, from paper assets. And sometimes you can get dividends from that, meaning you get cash flow. But portfolio income is taxed at a higher bracket because usually it's for capital gains, meaning that, you know, you get a percent, you get a big chunk of something after you bought it, after you bought something low and then you sold it back high. And so that income right there is capital gain, which is taxed at a higher bracket. And it doesn't come every week by itself. Passive income is the third type of income, and that's what we focus here at Master Investors Company. So ensure that you follow us on all platforms. Check out the description below. I'm out here having a great time working on myself, and I hope the same for you. Take massive action in your life and ensure that you stay ethical in everything that you do, because you will live a better life, okay? There's no reason to do things illegal because we are achieving freedom. So if you do something illegal, you're risking the thing that we want the most. You know, we rich people want to continue to build wealth because it's what gives us freedom. So we're not gonna risk freedom when we can actually do it legally, okay? So there are basics that we need to know about the rules of money, the laws, and ensure you attach yourself to a great team, to an inner circle. So join our inner circle. Welcome to our community here, Master Investor. The money, the business, and investing brand, teaching the business principles that work in all economies and bringing the good and bad news of money. Wealth is not built by predicting the market, but it's by preparing for any type of market, because as an inside investor, which is a master investor, an active investor is someone that can read financial statements and cash flow in any type of market. We understand that the market goes up and down. All right, so I hope this is helpful and I hope this inspires you, okay? I'm gonna do my next set. Let me see what we're gonna do over here. I would like to do maybe some, yeah, let's get the abs in. I'm gonna do some abs right now. right over here. Hey, those are great for your abs. Gotta do those. Woo. If you wanna get your 6-pack, your 8-pack, start building your core, those are essential. You'll see results almost instantly. Do 2 sets, 3 sets, just like you saw me doing. Look, it takes me out of breath.